Inside of this giant cardboard box is the single largest tool I have ever purchased. Not necessarily by weight, but definitely by cost. It is not saying much considering I buy a lot of used tools, but for me, this brand new Jet 14 SFX is going to bring me a lot of additional capability to my shop, and this will end up being for the new shop. But until then, we will use it in the existing shop, which is where we're actually currently at. And let me take you on a quick shop tour. Not much, but considering about 3 months ago, this did not have a roof, did not have walls, did not have anything. It was the auction barn. I built this, put it together so I could actually build stuff. So a couple of toolboxes, workbench areas, my small lathe that's about almost 20 years old. That is the door that will end up going to the new shop. A bigger lathe, 36-inch. And here is my 2x72 belt grinder that I built at the beginning of COVID and has served me quite well. Needs a little bit of a tune-up and a little bit stronger motor, but we will get to that later. And then a couple of cutting boards that I have glued up currently. My surface plate, flat surface plate, and a used table saw, and my 735 planer. Anyway, that is the tour. Actually, let me show you. So as of right now, all the lights and everything in this and tools is running off of a single extension cord right there. It's underneath the box. I'm gonna follow you. This is where it's going. So follow the yellow line. See it? It's still going. And we're gonna go outside and over the driveway, still going, to the well pump house. So the well house is the closest power to the barn currently, and is the only way that I am able to make any of the stuff that I am doing. It leads right into there. So hopefully in the next 90 days, we'll get the electrical engineer out here and have new service run to the barn that I can then wire up and get my shop actually somewhat functional. Even the small shop, but eventually the big shop as well. And that is what I have started with, mounting the breaker box, and then I will be running conduit to the various outlets all the way around. So obviously there are some tools that I can't use because they draw more than 20 amps, or they are a different power as far as 220 volts, so I can't weld right now. But other than that, I am pretty capable of making things work. So yeah.